In Mpumalanga, the National Prosecuting Authority isn't ruling out the possibility of more charges being brought against the 95 Libyan nationals arrested at an alleged illegal military camp near White River. Proceedings were postponed to next Monday for the court to secure an Arabic interpreter. Now, if they're found guilty under the Immigration Act, they could spend up to 2 years in prison. Aldrin Sampear reports.
95 Libyan nationals crammed the small White River magistrates' courtroom. The gallery benches made way for the accused.
The issue here is about that when the accused left their country in Libya, they were coming here in South Africa to study. And where they were arrested, they were not studied, they were doing training to become soldiers. So they misrepresented in their visa application. Yep. At this stage, the investigation is ongoing. We cannot rule whether more charges will be added or more accused will be added in the matter as the investigation continues.
Additional charges could be the contravention of the Military Assistance Act. The legislation regulates the rendering of foreign military assistance by South African citizens and companies. And even then, the question still remains, why Melita's D Academy isn't in the dock.
It can take time, though, but however, it should be done accordingly so that we don't find ourselves maybe facing some legal challenges in terms of the complainant suing the state. So we are avoiding that. We are doing things by the book to ensure that when we bring the case that we have prepared, then it succeeds in court.
The men deny receiving military training. They claim to have been recruited by a Libyan gold dealer who needed security. Their presence in White River has raised the ire of some parties.
This is what we've been always saying, that there's a lot of recklessness in this government. There's no intelligence, there's nothing. Because you can't have people who came here 2-3 months ago, and then you only discover them now that they are here. So as EFF, we don't allow this such thing to happen, because these people, they came here already. They've been harassing our people.
But for others in Mkanduzweni, these are friends who frequent local hangouts. They knew how to put on a show. And as the sun sets over the mountains, it draws the curtain on the men who traveled this gravel road. So even when a court interpreter is found, what is evident from this matter is that it is far from over. For these men, they will have to stay behind the holding cells for some time. The matter is now on the criminal court roll, which means we're still going to see a bail application that's going to be brought. Still waiting to see, though, whether the NPA will be opposing that application. For Channel 405, I'm Aldrin Sampear, White River, Mpumalanga.